Alright, well, I spent a little while cleaning up some stuff and basically poking around while I waited for anything useful information to come in. And I think I've decided just to start working on it. Everything measured up relatively alright. I am going to start cleaning up on the bottom of the rear tub, and maybe be able to measure and fix things up a little bit down there. So I'm just going to throw this in a time lapse with whatever I do down there. Might straighten out some of the aluminum bits and figure out how I'm going to repair that too, because a lot of it's got galvanic corrosion eating away at it. So just going to throw you in a time lapse and let you watch whatever I doodle around with.